Hi everyone, today we are going to learn goal seek feature in Excel. First, we are going to know what is goal seek. Goal seek is a tool in Excel that help you find the input needed to reach a desired result. It is very useful when you know the outcome you want, but do not know the input value required to get there. Example scenario. Imagine you are a student who appear for an exam with 5 subjects such as Hindi, computer, maths, English and general science. You already received mark for 4 subjects except English. Your total so far is 250 mark. That means you already obtained, that is the 250 as you can see here, right? So you want to reach 300 mark in total. That means your goal to get 300 mark in total. So you want to find out how many marks do you need in English to reach total. So this is where goal seek help. So for that, what we have to do this. So for that, here need to click on data tab, and after that here you can see what if analysis. Click on here goal seek, and after that make sure that set cell should be selected, that is total cell that contain the total mark formula. All right, here you can see this. So next, our value, that is our target value, that is target value is 300, right? So let me mention this 300, and here by changing cell, that is select the empty cell for English mark, that is this, and click OK. It is saying that reference is not valid. All right, no problem. So what I have to do is, again I'll remove this, again I'll remove those, again I'll select this total cell, and target value is 300, and again let me remove, and I'll click on this empty cell for English mark, and let me click OK. Okay, so now you can see that our total mark, that means our goal is, that is 300, right? And as earlier already I have said that to reach 300 mark from English subject, how much we are supposed to gain. Now already you come to know that that is 50 needed to get 300 mark, and here you can see the percentage, that is 60, right? And click OK, right? So next I'm going to show you that how to apply goal seek using percentage instead of total mark. So first let's undo the previous goal seek result. To do that, simply press Ctrl plus Z, that is Ctrl plus Z, okay, on your keyboard. Now you can see it is already gone, right? So now what I have to do is, now my target value, that my target percentage is like 65, right? Target percentage is 65. So for that, what I have to do, just click on again here data tab, and go to what if analysis, and click on goal seek, and this time we need to select in this cell, that is this is percentage. Just click on this cell, and after that our target percentage, how much, that is 65. All right, and here by changing cell, again we need to select this English empty cell, Now click OK. Okay, now you can see that our goal is 65 and the total mark is, that is 325, and from English, that is needed to get, that is 75, right? So this is how that we can use goal-seek to find the particular value. Okay, so friends, I hope you understand. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and see you in next video. Bye.